This is a demonstration of the Quality Server application from Etrage LLC. Quality Server provides a simplified method for managing and executing ModelCHECK quality standards and custom checks and reports on trends and Six Sigma results. Quality Server can automatically run ModelCHECK on Creo models stored in Windchill when there is a change in life cycle, revision, or a check-in. There are also options to run on models when they are saved in Creo, and they can also read ModelCHECK reports that were previously run and saved to a Windows directory. Quality Server can also run directly on models stored in the Windows file system. Quality Server is made up of three components. The first is a Windows user interface to configure Quality Server for use with PTC's Windchill and Creo, and to configure it to run in an on-event mode or in a batch mode. The second component is a web-based Windchill add-on for configuring Quality Server when it runs in the on-event mode. The third component is for two reports that are created from the ModelCHECK output. The Quality Server provides two types of reports. The first is a summary report, and the second is a graphical database report. The summary report lists the models that were run, the number of errors and warnings that were found, and provide links to the detailed ModelCHECK reports for each of the models. The second is a graphical database report, which provides graphs, charts, and tables to report on ModelCHECK trends over time. Graphs include 2D and 3D column, bar, pie, and line charts. The Quality Server user interface is very similar to that of the Etrage plot service for Windchill interface. It provides for a general configuration panel, a Windchill configuration panel, a processing options panel, a Creo and ModelCHECK configuration panel, a post-processing panel, and a report progress panel. To start, the Quality Server user interface will be configured to automatically monitor Windchill for changes. Then, an assembly in Windchill will have a promotion simulated by changing the state of the model. The Quality Server will then monitor Windchill for changes in lifecycle and will automatically process the assembly and its dependent models through ModelCHECK. Once the models have run through the Quality Server, ModelCHECK reports are automatically loaded into the summary and database reports. The summary report is immediately available after each Quality Server run. It is divided into 4 sections. The first section summarizes the total number of models run and the number of errors and warnings found. The second section lists the number of drawings run, errors and warnings found, and a link to a detailed ModelCHECK report. The third section lists the number of parts and assemblies run, their errors and warnings, and a link to the detailed ModelCHECK reports. The last section provides a listing of all the failed ModelCHECK quality standards, the number of errors for these standards, the model name, model type, and a link to the detailed ModelCHECK report for that model. The database report provides graphs and tables that can be used to analyze trends and Six Sigma requirements. Data for graphs and tables can be filtered by date, by model type, by ModelCHECK standard, by ModelCHECK score, and by business unit. Graph types include 2D and 3D column, line, bar, pie, and other types. All graphs and tables can be exported to Word, Excel, PDF, or hyperlink for distribution to others in your organization. Six Sigma can be calculated by selecting the Score Radio button in the upper right corner of the screen. The resulting score is displayed at the bottom of the screen. All filtering options, including by date, file type, ModelCHECK standard, ModelCHECK score, and business unit, can be used for calculating a Six Sigma score. Warnings can be treated as checks that passed, as errors, or totally ignored. The report lists the total number of standards run, the number of standards that passed, the percent standards passing, the number of standards failed, the percent standards that failed, and the Six Sigma score. To add more data to the Six Sigma analysis, the date range will be expanded. The Advanced Data Review Report provides information on all ModelCHECK standards run on all models. Column headings include model name, quality standard name, status, or whether the standard passed, failed, or there was a warning, the date of execution, and if included, the business unit name. Each of the columns can be sorted by double-clicking on the column heading. The data can be grouped by dragging the column heading into the upper grayed area. Each of the columns can be filtered by selecting the Show Filter option at the bottom of the screen, selecting the filter type, and entering in a value. The Advanced Data Review Report can also be exported to Word or Excel. In closing, this demonstration showed how to configure Quality Server, how it automatically monitors Windchill for changes in models, how it can be used to manage and run ModelCHECK, and how it can report ModelCHECK results with graphs, tables, and trend analysis. For more information about Quality Server or about Etrage LLC, please contact sales@etrage.com.